So, the sea kayak safety line. What is it? It's a connection between the paddler and the boat that prevents the loss of the kayak after a capsize and a wet exit. We use it during offshore trips. We never use it during surfing and rock hopping. We use our short tow line for this, as it is easy and you cannot get entangled in it. So there are 3 setups that we use in our team. Let's have a look. So, no matter which system you choose, or maybe you have a system of your own, always field test it in advance and always make sure that your short tow line is long enough so you can exit your cockpit in a swift and safe way.